Abusia ura Steven Atubiga wakasa I Steven Atubiga na say o see NDC party no woni o munyo bi ni nyina de say o suspended because suspended by no see there be say dem suspend me makwa be de hu ya say be join party bi so ate no ho it was the letter akọ we hia wo mo ama give impo say de na ni mura say dun kati o chochofo panyi de man NDC party no enso de krata tententi ababonti a wo je so ura tukuba say wo say woni ye enjoy ni party ni bi mo ni problem yen so ya je atum na emom so akina bi wo kodadwo ne ho na afo be so ba party me be sajo na say on be saje ne so mo sa anye no because they say no e ka be say eye Atubiga o free party ne say ne nsensem bi ne san 70 no na bi a anhwe ya e ma NDC for sanje ne bi wasa ka say bi no wo che say adokode e nam so potse pan ma NDC for elusu afi 2020 about 20 na yeto wo say yeto ne yeto de on pepa wo che say yeto no so on pe na kesiem enya asem keto etie ne say do tama ye ni abra ye gu awia so na yeto aba a nsentrofo ye ni abra ye report ye nam a fifrete ye no na o mo hye esim e de dama so so o mo hye esim e no mo ne ma ye seni saa edi e wosenka wo ni bre na nka wo frɛ na wo mo de ko police station say de na ekɔ e aba na ye ekɔ ne senda bi eto na wo mi gotie Ura Steven Atubiga mrai ba na me na eje ato aso.
Look at that.
So after your exit from party then who said Joshua Labine of some of your read.
That is my many beef no more from day one. You Lucy and I knew said it was a deliberate calculated betrayal. Kwabania got na one tea for 3 hours.
Almost share that man.
Almost share that. That's what I'm telling you. And me boy Fukra John Dramani Mahama office me said I could say man you so assume into my clear sign. Akwadefo ne your friend is Nkrofo mo fata mo candidate your president. Na mo moti John Dramani we can the private office no. Mo ntimi coordinate every 10 seconds so every na mo afre issue as a question am a candidate. Na party structure from the organizer mo mfre. What did they mention?
Mo ti baby no mo frɛ.
Omo baby no mo dio money o wi abamenyum we Babra Samwe anaje dana was anyum ne man na mrante feel he during election wo chief yenda so ncho during election matter election day yenda so nche 1 minute 60 seconds no asori da kwabna ne da so saa na oyese me say
other day so
na eto botos eka hu na NDC lose here. So if
NDC lost
because botos was part of if Nyachum
from top to down
then I'm catching up there were internal strategic botos e wo hono and external botos eka hu and a sinking NDC party
then I'm the leadership of the party.
Yes me won politician omo yo omo de to say me crop with that one life because eno yenda so ncho during election 1 minute 60 seconds no wa Johnson no sorry said Cruise da so sa if not omo nyina wa he kwabna ne so peti o ma no ya ne de hwe nipa da sani wo court mo aspen sika a audit pink sheets mo ko court mo de mo sa pay na koye very annoying. Do you know how humiliating I was watching when the judges were telling us say mo pink sheet wa he ye ni ho say na munya ya ye ntimi nka one na ka say konum ye de was no akonum ti ha kwabna ne e wo TV so I didn't get biscuit one what the case I didn't get biscuit no anka brochira FBI na CIA be kwa chiwa kwa exam hese and pass yare such the meeting national. So all these look NDC cannot win 2024 election, put me on record.
So MPP will win.
MPP we will determine who will lead this country.
I was Ura Steven Atubiga any attending cano. As when I did the Akim Rabbit to us, we did a champ of my ticket na young Shunkum. And I did Nana Kofia Jessica Pa. Yamiado Monday. That's how to be.
When you made a chair, divine selection. I don't know, in TS Kavia Nina. And your black star, Ukutia Sunny Afar. With the automatic on one and your police. Yabi.
Yakas a protocol, but which are 4,000.
So, yes, yeah. And yet, nursing in college. And Akutias Kakoji. On one say Akusia. And I great champ man of pay sorry Kufia, my mount got free and Jaka.
You don't say. Ura took bigger. Sometimes they will say a general secretary a day. Let it be about TV so you can kind.
Yeah, sure.
Now, or let them or church the money every or more quack no much say. Say Chinabi, Ura Steven, and say about no so many party moreover. Now, when I say, I say, I was say, what to trouble about Park is here. A bema or more consider such a boss, I'm not party in
a bit yi kakra akoye no ho me na because something which is there be sir in the sense the party no this is the time omo here unity now they are fighting omo common enemy politically the new patriotic party or saya wabem eti ka one would expect say anka this is the time also community come bompa nti na we say ya ni men ni ye ti mabeka madwene ene wabeka adwene they are suspended and must suspend them so my resign kra I think the science and some ya dia emwa party no in their bid to win 2024 elections no it mimi hunu say they should cease fire, they should start arranging things assembly bar so but take kind of dispute commission be just a issue be bar but no settle no underground and behind the scenes and sakra and sana escalate and asaba abonten owura tubiga Steven ono so na also to hu say sebe ensa amaduane adipen no yenkaso so what I say whether you were influenced or you were embittered or whatever no party no so one way or the other has exposed you to limelight among say the padodo na hu say there's a guy called Atubiga the partner e bia ma it nye nsem nyina na wo de beto abontenka
okay
so what I say you want some administrative errors and administrative issues and the bar obi en say those issues ought to be ironed and then settled but to say na to no be ma bia o wasa ashisu edu ahomachia ne something peja de a ogini hudidie opeto so what I say dodo na not even a pastor not even a say
Roman father
Roman father bacho man de man ko so
onde omunye se ni
se dia ko for dia bato de yen kan mo so eti ena ose time amoye de ben
time a wo mo quality result a wasenka wo mo mani bere na mo frefre mo agent na de na ekono na wo mo hyehye ma ho ne sa ne ma no
well and also could be say he's saying something and no cresa kakra so what the companies say bomochichi if you trust the catcher say then chemti fine ya nyina chinyesa so ne na tinsum ho nti ono wo an na yakoba eno nim ni omope enti at the time bia ye quality aba ni braba na so sebe sable na nzu butonga gumu na ese wo no o ma sebe oyase ayoda chen wa memuo which ankanya bone anya bone ko ade de na ede obi anso pade ede ntina enjine hwiegu ka kwan so apont ayi odwa tu gina ho wi amaka abebo no cause ade de ne kum kwaso ya so what I say na mum party bia ye wo election collating officers ya omo ne quality abano ebobo ano nti se omo a ose so call people na ose omo petro no at the time ye coalition omo to eshama ho no what role were they supposed to play if he or she is not a member of a collating team? Ebi abaka say they ought to be there and then help, give them morale and all that. It ebi anonso ye one factor, but about one year do or die affair. And fancy obi quality about nyankwala. Na ebi anonso nyankwala ayo say tamalea. Na sabi enya do konyon kwa na ko no kanchima na ko ya. Does that mean say when you want to have a quality ana?
So I didn't the fine with me aye, but yet there's time for everything. And I could 30 minutes in 1 hour about so yeah dear. Because only say you be at the mobile send or back road you watching our no quarter malino. Or I want to say because of election to the motorway. It's just yes satisfaction satisfied no. Any what's the aqua said the name of saying?
Tin can you not mutukuno wa jegu.
Sana Steven Eka.
But it's all kase let's say agutie no 1 minute plus asem nya fe na
what you say ya vera kwa yes skills actually so ya dey
so ya pepepe no ko
se si adu awi that's what me akwa
ene akonkasa saa bre kakra na yede to aba no kwa no wa anya na aye den saa bre kakra na ye to aba no ye quality aba no
2 days 3 days
so wa anya na aye den na me hu se ne manya kora na emom obakwa ko hye bibia se a wonwie de nipa bebre ho e basa ye so na mo ho twetwem so kwa ye oba ye se ya na mo ho twetwem mebwa se ya na ho ta twetwem ha ene sa ne mantino won kon oba ya wonyenyi de ne manya kora na pebre na ye so ata de o ka se election afa ye nya no yencha
ande ya fi da ko yi skills
me ne nya adwe ba
na ma me won hwede sa ne ma no ya fi da ko esa wo
ene manya kora so that because according to Madodo na hweme ma so ye se saade no o sha se no afna nu bo sha sa asen so na ohu sa sa o ya bo because so hwehwe ni so na wadwe ne ba fie so atade na senti
o ai akwese fantero eco stage na one week akra
so ade ohu nyina za ko
so ba lo so o so ya ko
o so ya ko to so hwehwe no wadwe ba fie eti anko hye bibi a obakwa kwagire obi ba because yesa yesa na asam ho twetwem sa na metete enum ne ade anti ayi atubiga so asampa bi ka on kan tini nuamu for say ni nuanom say yesremu a edu collecting time ani braba into the tonga ba akache tonga da hatwem na me kokko yeduma ba na ne oba na the good news ba na jawaba ba to aduma so o the bad news ba aba ba to aduma so ni me nyina no edimande saade na ha
say eniji ana ekosoro ya reho ada de eniji aba be replace wa jese ne nkrofo ne de eye ne nkrofo ndisi fo no ni adu kudi ntia ye kasa obi hu ye ne da ahoda de ebi asini na say ndisi fo
no no so another one kan de
say odi party di bitino wo ka mo
atama wo no so no hu ye ne da na because no ma say the tubom birds of the same feather flock together enti ono no o kana otumi ye board kasa ani eyina na sa but eche ne mehu se enya de be board
we free party ti sa na what say we jai it was
so we free man ko nyai
ko bi so also am ho ye omo de too much
of everything is bad actually because power power anya gudi o because power na de sebe won ware ye de ma papa bebre wo power na unya edisika bebro ma obaba ho otumi ama oba sika ma oba ani age ma oba nso afri nipa ye ne ama papa ama nso ani age so ate ade na se enti do nya
tem o rai mi ye ide
so ate ase enti enya do se nya time bia na oba di man sika futo bia odwuma pakra tuma odidi hwe nkwampa military bo nso pa ho ne ade but power the open power you need to stay focused and attentive say ya untumi no on blank crown at so be bibia bo sulia because the Ghana election especially no obo onian so bi yi bo sulia so that the answer 2020 election ye no one of the polling agents or whatever election officers nibi or ya no ate candidate ba ko afri so ate candidate ba ko line afri ho nti wo ba na anya smart ya ye de share nsan so da ko si ba bia wo mpe na akoti election de ye ni hu agrokura o ye ni se ye bo sulia tinya sabre na o ko yiru sisi echi da nwen akwa ko tutonga ko tonga de da homa ana me kan nyem tu ne wo se ni gie ba obehia tonga areho ba obehia tonga areho ba tonga ba chechore ana ni gie so ba tonga ba mo onije na kosoro nti whatever it is you need it so ebia do be kanza areho ba de ana hwa na mora no so ate because nye mora na di urom na do ko be because areho kakraba and na the only difference but apart from that it needs all this nti there to be get kano in as much men nya adwene say certain private life for her and so be kan budum sa na omo petrol no sa na no but when you be ken so no I think say cautious to them
can maybe say senti afutu sembi wonsam na
of course
o de ba bonti
say futu e bia kwa na me so me ken say election there ye mfa agudie nko election mu so at say it is when you abre so petumi agea
nti wo pa yi sa de yan nya abato da
deputy nya abato da and say abato da kura na who's election there to no 7 o'clock to 5 p.m. nti ABS wakoto awie kwa aja wakodi le ma na akụkọ ntwetwe na apeba akụbi di apo ni mande fine but from 5 going in adwuma na starting
ran ka be ka next time go bona ade ye mu ohu no say time aye kan no ye wa about
na me can collecting time which is the 5 o'clock pm day cross abra ye be collect aba no ana abra na ye be gba aba nje so ha won si apedua bi choke na hu the ko amre bi dey buy o the okanya 24 25 26 27 60 so why we have that I go no wodi over 29 or do 60 and pass o kan ni crash e it was aba go for to my head na yetumi abit me with this margin but na one how dey feel ha eti omun taking say even though so on your right so can say be etisa no omun taking the positive side which is the being vigilant and being focused for your party, no, very important. I think say omu taking from that angle never bo party no. And that day obedience as usual 77 ho ejina no ho so an ho nyande. So I say ubi line share to makabo say ansema nkofo kan sema betre wasum no. E bia be true iskura na onya call untumi ntie. Eti omu tie asem na wo ka no. Omu nyi negative no free ho no omu pick the positive side of it. Yeah.
Okay. That je yade sorry no. Woni said ye nti e na so be free party mu epia na afi dia aka ni na ye negative ensem e no kafa party na ato aduane ma ne pen e bia ne ka bi o yusu party no ifi a woti party no na ye a won hwesa ne mani nyina wonya pie ya na agba start say what the poison e rap party woni say ya na de ade ne de sansem ne ba
obi e rap party with onwani aim and visions.
Okay,
so what I say the rap party based on say obeboa ma part na di nkunim no nso nyankwan asa no ne vision ko na de ono nso ye de part na wo no onso vision ko like bia traditionally one papa ye party eni ti ono nso no ye wo onyini beto party kakra bi no onyini no nzera bi even though papa ye party eni but me no me nso ma dwe chem say party bi na beboa me ande ho but omo a ya do omo awo mta ande asem kura ba o count zero sika course a bloodline moja part na be the part of their blood tinya do betu aka ill against no but obi so ono so ba say oba beboa na ye da ono so asabia di ti oba na so boa na eye da na mo amana ansabia ni a ye ni pa ye kwa ye be there there will be negativities in the party sa na oba boa no ko na be mo no so na asema ye de if you say bi na to be ye nyina nso nim si papa Alote Jacobs, former Central Regional NDC chairman. Also the same thing. Also, I can say be Kwaku and do. On one shut down can some deep sir, but also can say be Abebu and also Chester party. No, all are not well in the party. So I say, Tiana bitterness. Sir, Sabi. Yeah, Conjuring Mikobi, Nedibuma Budia, and I meant here. So I say, yeah, Abre, Nasa do me some for some quaya. Was story be a me titi to be gay ya kana semia or say part in the room maybe kwano or no our bre ko de fiaso wo hu nyina ba no you to me contact ba minister girlfriend and on to contact free ho which is very sad it yan bre na say girlfriend no nya wife girlfriend na it will contact
na ye the contract no
ashaninsa ko contact free girlfriend was say to ya 10%. It all these factors are some of the reasons why I say ampa ema bitterness bank of woman. So what I say me who say na bitterness na de baba to mu nyina so futu kaka me sorry and I sorry no me de catch them say in as much as you have your right, in as much as you may be embittered, you may be disappointed in some of the decisions taken in the party, no, it should also force you to say nyama ensese babon because at the end of the day, no, obi no obetambo atwogo baby and nkosu agu and I say nsanso amodua na dida no yenkaso ntino who bitterness talk about the administrative wise, talk about negative things and part in nya the part pempenso was a part in talk about those things and forget about private line never be on friend and to make a crack. You say what did that Daniel so in the okay private private so at the obetu aka say abrebi dura ye say be sad no based on this period there you so at I say about to say some petrol no petrol there individual preferences. So what did that so say ya so at don be so no mu dia gumu ane there which is no so do nyame ko di akira so at I say one here betwe wasan because I have pass assembly be so do me so kra no papa bi etu ne battery sa car no ba yes ad ni oka and etu ne battery wante hu ya say che say akwa na tu battery de kona on so abre na so na wadu sane mu ho say sa kontu sane bi wom so hu sa sane no
wo eso nkwa no
aha ba ne ba man kita o de se sane bi wom aduru o mu sane sa bro kan hwe o monte na ho so no comfort a hye nkwase abon so a check ya tu hu ya say the battery go ewi ate untu ahode kra de ka wi kra ayede eti o nya bre
o wie yera de card so aka ho
o wie ka na ka comfort so battery dunu ho anti abra ye kan you know collation ko ya ka cho say ndc enya say ya afina ba so mu nya say wi na nko bisa na ye de amade ye be man that you know I won't take the negative side as out and then work on the positivity side of the nsama brand no e kano na mo so munyai spreading the only negative side of enema mo encounter on party because if you bia no mensam sabe no ha aka sabe enye fie bia na mensa wom sabe no so mo bu achia na che enye mensa
be fie bia obi di mensa wom
da bi nya no kreda enye fie bia na mensa wom
obi ni mensa
minimum ade me de minyanti so obi di mensa wom fie ba enye fie bia na mensa wom eye fie bia mensa asa memasam so I so ko ru an sre kwa be se bo jeni fit ye de wo baba e be you see because me say baby oja no twa no comfortable zone dey fi mensa nya mensa nye fi bia na mensa wo mu che say memasam ha e wo mu sana 70
ayo ns ya so me ba ko ya sa dia to ikotokuo abuja for de mo sia so ru Steven atubiga and o che say de ntia ndc fo elusu ye no o mo pe bottles o mo peto e no ana e je say ama wo mu edifiti ya me na eje tina se a ye de ho nsem besom no e de mo sia e de ajo a champo ma ya ma refi so be subscribe na face watch the videos no ama obi a wonya bi hwe no so enya bi ahwe ya me ya adoma e be se hia ya crowd